Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is the 1st of August 2021 and this is our 5th strategy for today. We're going to be dropping 6 strategies today. As stated earlier, we have dropped some strategies on our other channels already. So all you have to do is to subscribe to all our channels to watch all these strategies today, 1st of August 2021. And today we'll be trading the Jump 50 index. In this strategy is a new trade type under the strategic indices on the smarttrader.deriv.com interface. And before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER bot, just to let you guys know that we've updated the bots today, 1st of August 2021, and here are some of the results right there for better performances. You can see right there, you can see the results on deriv and binary.com interface. If you haven't purchased the bot, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.cty technology.com.ng to order the boat. Is just $9.99 USD. And for those who have already purchased the boat, we've sent the current updates to your email. Just check your email address. As promised, we'll be updating the boats regularly, and we'll be sending the boats to all those who have previously purchased the boat at no extra cost. So just visit the order page to purchase the boats. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options. The PIPSREAPER bot as well. The PIPSREAPER bot has been updated today, 1st of August 2021, and we've sent the bot to all those who have previously purchased the bot. The bot is just $7.99 USD. To order the bot, visit binary PIPSREAPER.cty technologies.com.ng to order the bot. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here are the links again. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bot, and this is the link. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot, and for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account. And here are the links to subscribe to our channel. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we'll be trading the Jump 50 index. So all you have to do is to log into the smarttrader.deriv.com interface. You choose the smart trader, then you go to the trade type, you click on Jump 50 index. Then this one will be digit/match. So our first trade will be 6, the duration will be 6, then the last prediction will be 8. So we are going to trade 3 times. So let's click on purchase right there on the digits differ. So you can see we want that trade, Our second trade will be 4, 9. That's 4. Then the last prediction will be 9. So let's click on purchase. Okay, we want that trade as well. Then our last trade will be 8, 3. That's 8. Then the last prediction will be 3. Then we're going to click on the digits differ. So you can see we want all the trades. You can see right there. So you can go on and on and on to repeat the strategy again and again. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.